Hello, welcome to LeetCode channel. Today's problem is LeetCode problem. This is 416 partition equal subsection problem. So in the problem, number array is given. We have to partition the array into two subsets such that the sum of elements in both subsets is equal, and we have to return false if we do not do so. So in the algorithm, I use the dynamic programming. So first of all, we have to show that a array is given, and if we can part this array into two subsets, then this should be the division of the sum of every element. Because let's see this, the 1, 5, 11 and 5, this is the array is given. So if we first have to calculate the sum. So the sum of this problem is, in this test case, this array is 22. So we have to first divide 22 divided by 2. So the division is from 11. So we can now easily divide them into two arrays, into two subsets which have equals to 11. So when I found one subset which is equals to 11, the another subset which is also equals to 11, that is we can easily find. So we have to only show the first subsequence which is equals to half of the sum of total elements, and we saw that if the sum is a odd number, then we have to return false, because if this is a odd number, the sum is a odd number, then we cannot divide this into 2, because this can be make a float value. So we cannot do so. So I have to return false that case, and simply I take here DT array, and the main this function we have to show that. So in the code I did, first of all, we have to first the array is given, and we have to check that I have to add this array element to the answer subsequence or not. So I take two variables, one is not take and one is take. So from the array, if we do not take one variable, we have to decrease the index, because I have to, wherever let's in this test case, if I am in a particular variable, like I am in the 11, and I have to check that I have not take this 11 to the answer, so I have to decrease my index to the index minus 1. So I have to take the next, and I also take a variable like name does take. So in the take variable, I take this 11. So I decrease my target, and it still goes to the 0. I decrease the target, I increase the target in every recursion, and I decrease this target. So this is the take and not take part, and we also have to check that if the number is the number, the array's index number, the number which is the from the array, that should be less than equals to the target, because if the number is greater than the target, then you should not take this. And in the base case, if I reach to the target equals to 0, then we have to return true. And if I reach at the index 0 and the number of the array zeros index which is equals to the target value, then I have to return true. So, and at the last, I have to, here I calculate the take and non-take. If here I see that this is true or false. So if any one is true, then we have to return we have to change the index and the target of the DP array with true or false. So we have to read the for function of the take and non-take part, and I returned this. I stored this in the DP index and target, and if I at the last I saw that if first of all I take every element of the DP to -1, so if I able to do, if I able to change the index, DP index and target to any true or false, then it should not be -1. So if any recursive loop, if any point of time I saw that the DP index and the target is not -1, I find the value before, so that time I return the DP index and the target. So that's how the code is working. So let's run this code. Yeah, it is running. So let's submit. There is some network issue. So yeah, it is accepted. So if you like my video, so please do like and subscribe my channel LeetCode, and to get notified whenever I upload any videos. So thank you for watching this.